everyone. This is Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're gonna make some stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey, quinoa brown rice, and yummy vegetables. So we're already starting out beautiful because we have the beautiful colored, the variation of the bell peppers. They're already seeded, membrane taken out, ready to go. So I've already cooked my quinoa brown rice. I've already cooked my ground turkey without any spices because I'm gonna add those. I've already sauteed my onion. It's a full onion with a tablespoon of garlic. I have a 15-ounce can of stewed tomatoes, and I have some arugula. My spices are a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix my stuffings together and I'll show you how. Okay, so we are going to put our rice and quinoa, brown rice and quinoa in a bowl. We're just gonna mix it all together. It's gonna be amazing. Our ground turkey, onions and garlic, our tomatoes, and our arugula. Now, you can substitute, arugula is very nice because it gives you like a pepper flavor, but you can also use spinach, chopped up kale. It just adds a little bit more nutrition and a lot of color, which is awesome. As well as all of my spices. Again, salt and pepper and Italian seasoning and ground garlic. And we're just gonna mix that all together. The tomatoes add a little bit of the juice for you. But it smells so good too. Okay, I think we're pretty mixed. Really easy, super nutritious. So now I'm gonna get me a measuring cup and just start loading them. There we go. They're beautifully stuffed, lots of nutrition, lots of flavor. Now I'm just gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese. Remember, everything's already cooked. So now I just need to cook my pepper and warm through all of this stuff. My oven is at 400 degrees and I'm gonna bake this for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna brace this guy because he's a little bit. All right, in the oven, 30 minutes. So our peppers are done. They have been in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And it is just, oh, it smells amazing. And the crust on top is the mozzarella cheese that is melted and bubbled. So I wanna show you what this looks like inside. I just gave this one a slice. Just amazing. You've got so much nutrition and flavor here with your vegetables, your protein, your quinoa, brown rice, and just flavors is so good. It's so easy. Put it all together and take it for a lunch. It's ready to go for anything, a dinner, a quick dinner during the week. So I hope you enjoy it. It's definitely got the flavor. It definitely has the nutrition, which was my intent this week. And so I hope you enjoy. If you do, please like and subscribe and share my videos. And also I'm on Instagram at cooking_with_intention. I hope you enjoy the meal. I hope you enjoy your day. And until next time, please be well